art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 11 Lumi from Brawl Stars. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. Stepping over from the center, we're going to curve this line up and through towards the left. We're going to, in the corner here, bring this line up and then back down at a point. We're going to follow this through underneath. So from the inside corner, we're going to curve this line around. We're going to bring that back up on the left-hand side. And now let's draw on the pupil. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this down, around, and back up. And then we're just going to color in this pupil black. Now let's focus on our right eye, leaving a gap right in the center. We're going to move over. We're going to curve this line up, back down on the right. We're going to draw this a little bit differently. So from the inside corner here, we're going to curve this line down, around, and back through, connecting that together. On the top, from that corner, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then from here in the corner, bringing this line out and then down on the right. Let's color in the top portion here black to thicken that up. Now for the pupil underneath, we're just going to curve this line around and up like we did on the left-hand side. And then we're just going to color that in black. Let's draw the eyebrow up above, so we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through. We're going to bring this line up on the left and then bring that across on the right. Now let's move up and draw in the top of the head. So coming up beside the eye there, we're going to curve this line around and through, extending that towards the side of the right eye. Let's close off the shape of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and we're going to taper that in. And then we're going to do the same as we come over on the right-hand side, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, let's continue to taper that in for the bottom of the face. So we're going to curve this line through and in towards the middle. And then again on the right-hand side, starting back on that line, we're going to blend this in together as we come through towards the bottom. Let's draw on the design around the eye now. So from the top here on the left, we're going to curve this line out and in towards the left. We're going to bring this line up towards our eye. And then from that point, we're going to curve this around and through towards the left-hand side. And then we're just going to color in this open space black. And if you're using a pencil or something different and not a Sharpie, you can do this after. Now let's move down. So for the nose, we're going to arch this line up in the center, bringing that back down on the right. And then for the mouth, we're going to move up on the right-hand side, curving this down and through towards the left. Now let's draw in the hair. So on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this line up. We're going to flatten that out as we come in towards the center. We're going to do the same thing as we come over on the right. So we're going to curve this line out. And then again, flattening that out, blending that in together on the top. Let's draw on the ears. We're going to draw in a nice big half circle on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side as well. Let's draw on the design in the ear. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to move underneath and curve this line around and then back in towards the face. Now let's move down and draw in her body. So for the top of the arm, we're going to curve this line out towards the left. We're going to do the same thing on the right. We're going to come down for the thumb. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to curve this line out, around, and back in. We're going to mirror that in the opposite direction on the right, lining it up at the same height. Let's draw on the first finger here. So we're going to come up and we're going to curve this line up, around, and in on the side. We're going to do the same thing on the left. Let's move in towards the middle, curving this around and through. And then we're going to move down, replicating that again, arching this around and back up. Let's close off the palm of the hand now. So underneath, we're going to arch this around, back up, closing off the hand. Now where we have this gap, we're going to close off the sleeve. So we're going to curve this around and down towards the thumb. And then we're going to continue that as we come underneath, curving this around and through towards the palm. Let's close off the inside space here now. So we're going to draw in another curved line for the bottom of the sleeve. And then we're just going to color in the middle part of that black. Now let's continue to close off the jacket. Stepping over from the center, we're going to curve this line out on the left. We're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're going to end that exactly the same height. We're going to curve this line out on the bottom, bringing that up on a diagonal towards the sleeve. And then from that corner, we're just going to bring this line through towards the sleeve again. Now for the collar, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up on the left and right hand side. We're going to bring this diagonal line down and through towards the hand. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back up towards the face. Right in the center here, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Dropping down, we're going to arch that out on both sides for the collar of the dress. Let's add in the details on the jacket. So on the bottom, curving this line up on another diagonal. Inside the space here, we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming up. Now from here on the right hand side, we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. And then we're going to draw in 2 circles for the buttons. Let's come down and finish off the dress. So 2 diagonal lines, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Let's move up in the center now, drawing in another curved line, stepping up, replicating that. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a triangle, so bring this line up and then back down. Moving in towards the center, we're going to replicate that again. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the legs. So we're going to step over and we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down on the left and right-hand side. We're going to, of course, leave a gap in the middle to create some space. For the bottom of the shoe on the inside, we're going to curve this out, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to arch this line through for the top of the shoe from that corner. For the tongue, we're going to bring this line up and down. Closing off the leg on the inside, let's bring this line up towards the dress. Let's close off the sock, so we're going to draw in a curved line, moving across. Let's drop down again, replicating that as we come over on the top, creating a little stripe. And then we're going to move down again one more time, drawing in 2 more curved lines, bringing those in towards the tongue of the shoe. Now let's close off the rest of the shoe. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and down, ending that at the same height as the line on the inside. And then from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line on the bottom, bringing that back in. Let's move up for the sole of the shoe, arching that through towards the side. Let's step up again, curving that up and across. Now from here, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right on the very top. And then we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming down. Now let's draw in the items that are floating. So we're going to start with the waffle on the left-hand side. We're going to draw in a nice big circle. We're going to move down in the center, drawing in another circle. Now in the middle, let's draw in 3 diagonal lines. Now we're going to flip our diagonal lines in the opposite direction and again draw in 3 more. And now let's draw in the soda pop can. So on the top here, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Moving down in the middle, we're going to curve this around and through. It's going to be crushed, so it's going to be a little bit bent. So on the inside here, we're going to bring this diagonal line down and then out. Moving up on the top, we're going to replicate that, bringing that out and then back in, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. Let's move up, again, replicating that. And then we're going to draw in a half circle on the right-hand side. We're going to draw in some of the soda spilling out now. So we're just going to draw in a small teardrop shape on the top right. We're going to do the same, bringing that across on the left. And then we're going to do the same, moving underneath on the very, very bottom there, just like that. And that is it. That's how you draw 11 Lumi from Brawl Stars. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.